In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fund a PayPal account. To get started, open your PayPal account and head to the Wallet section. This is the area where you can manage your payment methods, and it's also where you'll be able to see any connected bank accounts, linked cards, and your current PayPal balance. If you're new to this screen, take a moment to look around so you know where everything is before moving on. Once you're in the wallet, the next step is to link a funding source if you haven't already done that. Look for the option that says Link a card or link a bank, then choose whichever method you prefer to use. If you want to move money directly from your bank into your PayPal balance, linking a bank account is usually the most relevant option. If you'd rather connect a debit or credit card for payments, you can link a card instead. Just follow the on-screen prompts and make sure the details you enter are accurate so the connection goes through smoothly. After your bank or card has been linked successfully, go back to your PayPal balance section. Click on your balance, then choose Transfer Money. From there, select Add Money to Balance. This is the option you'll use when you want to move funds into your PayPal balance from a linked bank account, assuming that feature is available on your account and in your region. Now, one important thing to mention is that in some cases you may not see the Add Money to Balance option right away. For example, if you're using a sandbox or test account, that option may not appear. That's normal in a testing environment, and it doesn't necessarily mean anything is wrong. On a regular live PayPal account, the option should be available if your account supports balance transfers. If you don't see it, double-check that your preferred bank or card is properly linked and confirmed. Also, make sure you're viewing the correct balance area and not just your list of payment methods. Small details like that can make a difference when navigating PayPal, and that's really all there is to it. You go to the wallet, link your preferred bank or card, open your PayPal balance, click Transfer Money, and then choose Add Money to Balance. It's a simple process once you know where to find each option. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.